WhatsApp received a lot of changes in their algorithm in December last year, and after that, tracking hidden last seen of WhatsApp became impossible. After a lot of research, I figured out a new method by which you can track your child's hidden last seen for free. So now, without wasting any more time, let's get started. So for this you will need to have an Android phone, and in case if you have an iPhone device, you can refer to the web link I have given for the same in the video's description. You will find a lot of apps in the Play Store, but none of them works, and I guess you're here after trying all those applications. So the very first thing you have to do is to download the Last Seen Analyzer application, whose free version link is given below in the video's description or in the pinned comment. So might happen on some Android device that it won't allow installation from unknown source. So for that you will need to enable the setting, and after that you can install the application on your phone. The application is a paid one, but I have provided you with the free version of the application, so you don't need to worry about it. Under this application, you will need to add the contact of your child whose last seen you have to track and monitor. You can either add the contact by browsing from your contact list, or you can add the number directly and you have to give a nickname as well. Once done with this step, you will need to authenticate your WhatsApp with the application. This is the change we have got after the algorithm change, as earlier WhatsApp authentication wasn't needed. But still nothing to worry about, as the application is safe enough to authenticate your WhatsApp, but still if you are not comfortable, you can do this with any secondary WhatsApp account. Better, you can also make any WhatsApp account with any temporary number and you can authenticate with it only. If you're not sure how you can make a WhatsApp from a temporary number, refer to the link which is given below in the video's description. Once you are done with the authentication, you will be able to monitor the last seen of your child, as well as you will be notified too whenever they will come online. And you can change the notification settings according to your convenience. So this is how you can simply analyze and monitor hidden last seen of WhatsApp. So I hope you all have enjoyed this video a lot, and if you guys are having any question about the video, then please drop a comment in the comment section. And if you guys like the video, then please drop a like, subscribe to the channel. With that being said, I'm Divyan Sharan, and I will catch you in the next one.